are you neglecting your studies? I am neglecting my studies. Why have you opened the door? I haven't opened the door. Why have you been playing games since morning? I haven't been
Playing
games
since morning.
Did you quarrel with me yesterday? I didn't quarrel. I didn't quarrel with you yesterday. Why were you reading a story loudly? I wasn't reading a story loudly. Why had you sung them? I hadn't sung them. Why had you been taking my photos?
I hadn't been
I hadn't been your photos.
taking.
I hadn't been taking your photos. Will you use my pencil tomorrow? I shan't use your pencil tomorrow. Will you be visiting the hospital? I shan't be visiting a hospital. Why will you have written a letter? I shan't have written a letter.
Very good. Next one.
Why will you have been extending my leg? I shan't have been extending
Your leg.